Hi, this is the REDMI Pad SE and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store app, and now in the search bar we should enter the Ampere, and now we should get this application, so let's just tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, we should just tap to open the app, click to yes I agree, pick close and tap to OK. So now we could see information about our battery temperature, and in my case that's 27 and 2 degrees. And also we got here more information like the battery capacity, voltage, Android version and no other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.